Let's take a few minutes and look at life on a sailboat surrounded by the vast expanse of the ocean. There's a certain allure to sailing, a call of the open seas that entices many. It's not just a hobby, but a way of life that promises freedom and adventure. Imagine riding the waves, the wind in your sails, steering your way towards the horizon. It's an exploration not just of the world around us, but also of oneself. Sailing is a dance with the elements, a challenge, a thrill. It's never the same journey twice. It's about the discovery of the unknown, the joy of reaching new destinations, and the satisfaction of navigating your own path. From the smallest dinghy to the grandest yacht, the world of sailboats is as diverse as it is exciting. Each vessel a unique testament to human ingenuity, ready to embark on the next great adventure. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of sailboats, where each type has its own charm and purpose. Let's start with the catamaran, a twin-hulled beauty that boasts stability and speed, making it a popular choice for those craving a swift sea adventure. Next we have the sloop, a single-masted sailboat, often seen darting across the waves with its one or two sails. It's a favourite among beginners due to its simplicity. Then there's the cutter, similar to the sloop, but with an extra jib for better balance in heavy winds. It's a sturdy vessel that can hold its own in a storm. Moving on, we encounter the ketch, a two-masted sailboat that offers stability and control, perfect for a leisurely sail. Finally, we have the majestic schooner, a tall ship with two or more masts, embodying the romance of the old world sailing. As you can see, picking the right sailboat depends on your sailing goals, whether it's speed, stability, or comfort. Sailing isn't just a method of travel. For many, it's a beloved hobby and a competitive sport. The allure of the open seas, the rhythmic dance of a sailboat as it slices through the waves, the feeling of the wind in your hair, these experiences make sailing more than just a pastime. It's a lifestyle, a passion that captivates and compels. The sheer joy of recreational sailing is hard to put into words. The freedom, the tranquility, the sense of adventure, it's a unique blend that draws enthusiasts from all walks of life. But sailing isn't always about leisurely cruises in the sunset. For the more competitive among us, the world of sailing competitions awaits. From thrilling regattas to high-stakes yacht races, these events add a whole new layer of excitement to the hobby. They test your skills, your teamwork, your strategy, and your nerve, pushing you to your limits. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a competitive sailor, the thrill of guiding a sailboat through the water is hard to match. But what about those who take their love for sailing to the next level, choosing to live on a sailboat? It's a different way of life, one that's steeped in freedom and simplicity. Liveaboards, as they're affectionately known, swap the hustle and bustle of dry land for a life on the open seas, their homes bobbing on the waves. Living on a sailboat allows one to form a unique bond with nature, to feel the rhythm of the tides, and to witness the splendor of sunsets and sunrises from an ever-changing viewpoint. But it's not all smooth sailing. Life aboard demands self-sufficiency. There's limited space, so every item must earn its keep. And then there's the challenge of weathering storms, both metaphorical and literal. Yet these challenges only add to the allure for many. They see not constraints, but the ultimate freedom, a life unbound by the traditional norms of society. Living on a sailboat isn't for everyone, but for those who embrace it, it offers a life unlike any other. So, are you ready to hoist the sails and embark on your own sailing adventure? We've travelled quite a journey today, haven't we? We've explored the allure of the open seas, the variety of sailboats you can choose from, the thrill of sailing as a hobby and in competition, and even the unique lifestyle of living aboard your very own floating home. Sailing isn't just about cutting through the waves, it's about embracing a whole new way of life. It's about the harmony of wind and water, the thrill of charting your own course, and the freedom of the open seas. Perhaps a catamaran is your vessel of choice for its stability and space, or maybe the tight-knit community of a sailing club has caught your interest. And who knows, perhaps the liveaboard lifestyle is the perfect fit for you. Whichever path you choose, remember this: the journey is just as important as the destination. Remember, the open seas are calling. Will you answer? Use our Brainbuster quiz. 2024 sailing resources that follow and dig deeper into the quest of sailing and open water. Explore and have fun.
Check out our other documentaries and quizzes. Select one below and check it out. Please join our educational community. Start by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Heck, it is free. Why not? May you have a brain buster day.